Windows do more than bring natural light and fresh air into your home. They also play a major role in comfort, energy efficiency, and protection from the elements. In Coppell, where seasonal changes range from hot, humid summers to chilly winters and unpredictable storms, keeping your windows in top shape requires year-round attention. Regular maintenance helps extend their lifespan, improve performance, and keep your home looking its best. Spring. Inspect and refresh. Spring in Coppell brings warmer weather and occasional heavy rain, making it the perfect time to check your windows after winter. Inspect for damage. Look for cracks in the glass, worn weather stripping, or warping in wooden frames. Even small issues can allow moisture or pests inside. Clean thoroughly. Wash both the glass and frames to remove dirt, pollen, and debris. Clear tracks and hinges to ensure smooth operation. Reapply caulk or sealant. If you notice gaps around the edges, reseal them to prevent leaks during spring storms. By tackling these tasks early, you prepare your windows to handle the year's changing weather conditions. Summer. Focus on efficiency. Coppell summers are known for heat and humidity. Proper window care during this season helps reduce strain on your air conditioner and keeps energy bills under control. Check seals and weather stripping. Ensure that cool indoor air isn't escaping and hot outdoor air isn't creeping in. Consider window films or treatments. UV protective films and insulated curtains can reduce heat gain, keeping your home more comfortable. Inspect screens. Summer is prime time for open windows. Make sure screens are intact to let in fresh air while keeping bugs out. Efficient, well-maintained windows help you stay cool indoors and cut down on rising utility costs. Fall. Prepare for cooler weather. Autumn in Coppell signals the transition to colder temperatures, so it's smart to prepare your windows for the upcoming season. Examine frames and glass. Look for signs of wear that could worsen in winter, such as cracked panes or loose fittings. Lubricate hardware. Hinges, cranks, and locks should be oiled to keep them operating smoothly. Replace weather stripping if needed. Fresh seals help block drafts and maintain indoor comfort when temperatures start to dip. These preventative measures ensure your windows are ready to handle colder air and keep your home warm. Winter. Protect and preserve. While Coppell winters may not be extreme, they can still bring chilly nights, cold fronts, and occasional ice. Protecting your windows during this season keeps your home cozy and efficient. Check for drafts. Hold a lit candle near the edges of your windows. If the flame flickers, you may need resealing or temporary draft stoppers. Keep condensation under control. Use a dehumidifier or improve ventilation to prevent excess moisture buildup, which can damage frames and encourage mold. Inspect after storms. If winter storms bring wind or hail, check for cracks or other damage right away. Long-term benefits of seasonal care. By maintaining your windows through Coppell's seasonal changes, you'll enjoy lower utility bills. Well-sealed windows prevent energy waste year-round. Increased comfort. No more hot spots in summer or chilly drafts in winter. Extended lifespan. Regular care helps windows last longer, saving you money on replacements. Improved home value. Clean, functional windows enhance curb appeal and attract potential buyers. Final thoughts. Your windows are an investment that pays off when properly cared for. By dedicating a little time each season to maintenance, you can protect your Coppell home from the elements, improve energy efficiency, and keep your living spaces comfortable. If you notice significant wear, drafts, or rising energy bills despite regular care, it may be time to consider professional window replacement. With expert installation and seasonal upkeep, your home will be ready to handle everything Coppell's weather brings.